here's how to increase bass on Spotify iPhone. First of all, what you need to do is basically open Spotify. And here, as you can see, I'm on Spotify right now. What you need to do is just press on your profile icon or logo, whatever it is. On the corner, you will be able to see it. Just basically press on it. And now you'll be able to see three options over here, but you gotta go to settings and privacy. Once you're in here, you'll be able to see the fourth option called playback. Just press on playback. And now you'll see many options over here, but you gotta go to equalizer. So this is where you can actually increase your bass or bass, whatever you want to call it. So here, as you can see, you get to see many options over here, just like acoustic, bass booster, or like bass reducer, and a lot of other music options. But you're actually based depends on your speaker of your phone and hertz. So many people like choose to go from 60 to between 250 hertz. So you gotta mess and take a higher chance and like do something like this and do some major tweaks to actually see some changes, and it actually depends on your phone speakers. So yeah, and do the tweaking. After tweaking whatever it's up to you. And yeah, it will just work out for you if you check the bass increase or anything just like that after doing the tweaks. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can increase bass on Spotify iPhone. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.